Hi and welcome to the Lunch Break Gardener. So today I'm planting my Swedes. I put these as seeds in this milk bottle container on the 11th of September. It's now the 5th of October and they are ready to come out and be planted. So that's what I'm going to do. I've got this container filled of compost. So I'm going to grow them in the greenhouse because the winds here are just so high. It's probably a bit safer to work in here. Okay, so I'm just going to take these out carefully. And these look like they're joined. So that's 2. 3. 4. And just get this last one out. 5. So that's great. So you can discard that now. That's done its job. So I want these to be quite spread out because obviously they grow quite big. I'm not looking to grow the world's biggest Swedes, but put one there. And these quite weak ones I'm just going to pop here, see how they do. This one can go here. And this one looks quite a good one, so I want him to go fairly in the middle. So he's got plenty of room to grow. Oh, I hope that one's okay, so I think I just snap that a bit. Oh, never mind. Okay, so that's them done, but that's the little update on the Swedes. So thanks for watching and I'll check back in when they've grown some. Okay, bye.